Okay, what's today? Today is holiday. No, today is June 14th.
You're not supposed to be saying anything.
I'm not?
No.
What do you mean I'm not?
I'm supposed to do it.
All right, so here we go. I'll let you go. Niyah Jones.
No.
Niyah Jones.
I'm supposed to be saying everything by myself.
Oh, okay.
I'm supposed to say anything else.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, did you
See what I'm saying?
This isn't even started?
Wait, yeah, I started it.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm gonna stop it. Nope. Okay, now I'm starting. There we go. All right, we're back in business. We're back in business. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You.
I'm going to be proving how you use regular glue without pigment to create slime, and how it will not glow in the dark, and how you use glue with pigment and slime so it could glow in the dark. I'm going to use the white school glue, washable, no run Elmers Glue, and pour it into the bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to add this original shaving cream to make it fluffy. Give it a little bit of shake it so we can get
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that shaving cream. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Now I'm going to use this multi-purpose solution from Walgreens.
And what type of solution is that?
Multi-purpose solution. Contact solution.
Contact solution. Okay. I remember to try to use that in my eyes so I can see clearly. Has some glow in the dark eyes.
First, I'm going to mix this so it could get creamy. Okay. Now I'm going to add it in. Now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to add more contact solution. Now I'm going to start mixing with my hands in the bowl. And add more contact solution if it's still not fully activated, and if it's still not sticky. Now we're going to take it out. Now I'm going to add a little bit more contact solution so it could be a little bit unsticky. Okay, and it's done. And now I'm going to turn off the lights to prove how it's not going to glow in the dark. And that's
Did it?
how it's not going to glow
Can we see that again?
in the dark.
Can we see if it glows in the dark without any of the pigment again? Ta-da! Oh, there's...
Glue.
It does
Glow
not...
in the dark glue is the only thing that was glowing up.
Got it.
Now I'm just going to play with the slime so I can show you what you can do with it. So first you can poke it. Then you can stretch it. And you can make bubbles with it. Might not work this time. And that's how you make the non-pigment slime without pigment. And I proved how you can not, how the slime cannot glow in the dark without pigment.
2 and holla at your boy.
Okay, so now I'm going to use this new Great for Slime Elmer's Glow in the Dark glue to prove how slime could glow in the dark with pigment and glue. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the new Great for Slime Elmer's Glow in the Dark glue to prove how glue with pigment with photoluminescent. Tell me do it. That's a lot! I'm not saying the photoluminescent.
You just said it. You just said
It
it.
doesn't make sense.
It sounds like it makes sense.
No, it doesn't.
Say it again.
That's for old folks. For old folks, it sounds make sense. Not for new people.
I think she's talking about me. Can you believe it? Anyway,
Pause the video.
go. I'm not pausing. Go. Photo-luminescent.
I'm not saying photoluminescent. I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it.
All right, go.
Now I'm going to prove how the new Great for Slime Elmer's Glow in the Dark glue can glow in the dark with pigment. So now I'm going to pour it in the bowl. video.
1.
Okay, now I'm done. And now I'm going to add some original shaving cream into the bowl with the glue.
So we made one sample without the pigment, the photoluminescent chemical.
Okay, now
powder.
I'm going to mix it.
And now she's making a separate one.
Now I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to keep mixing till all the shaving cream is creamy. Now I'm going to add the multi-purpose contact solution to the bowl. Okay. Now for mix. And I'm going to add a little bit. And now I'm going to use my hand and mix it. And I'm going to add a little bit more, just a few drops. Okay, and I'm done. And now I'm going to keep it under my light. And now I'm going to find a flashlight to use so it can work faster. Okay, now it's been on light for 2 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn the lights off so I can show how it's going to glow in the dark. So let's turn off the lights.
Ooh, look at that glow. Ooh, look at it glow. Ooh, look at that glow. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh.
Okay, and that's how I prove how it can glow in the dark with pigment, which is photoluminescent powder glue. So now, what I use to make it charge, you can use a flashlight, like one of these up here, or you can use a
Natural lighting from.
no, I forgot what it's called. Hold on. You can use a lamp, or you could use natural lighting like the sun. And this is how I use natural lighting, and that's how it turned out like this.
Excellent.
Done. Now bye.